Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be taking a look at this Tudor Claire De Rose, this one, the model number 35500. Specifically this model, the 30mm version with 8 diamonds, also with Roman numeral hour marks just for 12, 3, 6, and 9. I'll be going over the case, the dial, the crown functions, as well as the bracelet and the movement. I'll be giving you my thoughts on these throughout this video. So, since this is a full round case, you can measure from any distance. I like to measure 2 to 8 o'clock. That's the diameter for this watch, 30mm. You can also measure 10 o'clock to 4. That's the sort of common way of measuring. Also the same, 30mm. You have a full steel construction for this case. If I zoom out a bit here, you can see it. Alright, so a full high polish presentation here. Also going directly into the bracelet. All steel everywhere. It feels very soft on the fingers and on the wrist. I'll show you a little bit what that looks like. Alright, so from this case, also a nice stainless steel domed bezel. Not much else to say about it other than that it just fits with the overall aesthetic of this watch. Gives that dial of a nice glowy look if you look at it straight on, depending on your lighting, of course. I'm in a dark room with a light box, so you're not going to see it as well as you would outside, but you know, you'll see it with your own eyes once you have this one in your hands. Taking a look at it, at the dial here, you have what is known as a silver opaline dial, very much like the Cartier Ballon Bleu models. All right, so you have a sort of radial presentation with the inner sort of portion of that dial, and also you have an alternating color, sort of monotone color scheme for the minute track at the very edge of the dial for precise time setting. All right, and taking a look here at the dial again, there's also 8 diamonds on here for all the intermediate hours, the 12, 3, 6, and 9 being Roman numerals in a blue lacquered paint there. It gives it a very, very distinct look, and actually quite elegant as well, because those diamond hour marks do show up at any angle of this watch, making it very easy to read and a very nice sense of class and elegance to it. And it really opens up this dial for, you know, just more space, more breathing room. So very good sense of design from Tudor here. And taking a look at how the crown function works, again, this crown is also stainless steel. It also has a blue cabochon crystal or a spinel at the very end, right? Unscrew the crown at the 3 o'clock position. So at the base position, this allows you to wind the watch. So if you're at a dead stop, about 20 to 30 full winds will get you to the full power reserve. Nice and easy there. Pull the crown out to the next position carefully. And you can then advance the date by 1. It's about a quarter turn. So nice and easy there. And the sort of advantage over the Ballon Bleu for this model is that there's no gigantic crown guard completely obscuring the entire crown's rotation, so you do have that freedom of rotation there. And if you find yourself on, say, the 30th of a month, say April 30th, and tomorrow is the 1st of the next month, well, just move it over once, and also wait for the hour hand to move past midnight, and you'll be on the 1st of the next month, nice and easy. All right, pull the crown out to the final position. You can stop that seconds hand, thanks to the hacking function of the movement, and therefore place the minute hand, and by extension the hour hand, of course, with precision based on the position of that seconds hand, and thanks to the sort of alternating color of that peripheral portion of this dial, you can place it very nicely and very easily. You synchronize it to an atomic clock, press the crown back in, screw it back tightly against the case, and ensure the water resistance for this watch rated to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. Alright, so what makes all of this work on the inside is the self-winding mechanical movement caliber T201. I read somewhere that it's an ECA movement, not exactly in-house, but still works just as well. And this Tudor, being the sister company of Rolex, they place their, you know, their technology in the hands of very capable individuals as well, right? So this one, the movement, has a power reserve of approximately 38 hours, gives you all the functions that I just showed you, the center, hour, minute, seconds hand, with the rapid date setting function as well with the stop seconds, right? So it gives you everything that you'll absolutely need for a watch of this caliber. And taking a look here at the framing of this watch, you do have a full stainless steel construction, sort of like a beads of rice type of bracelet. almost like a Jubilee as well. Full 5-piece links across all or not satin brush, a nice high polish finish, as you can see. All right, and moving down to the clasp here, you do have the safety clasp, so you have the Tudor logo there. Lift from the bottom to open it, and then just pull it straight out. And there you go, unhooks nice and easily. You have a full steel construction of this clasp as well. All right, almost like the concealed folding crown clasp of the Rolex models. All right, while I'm here, I can try it on and give you my thoughts as to how it wears on my wrist, at least 7 inches in circumference. And well, to no one's surprise, it's kind of small, almost comedically small at 30 millimeters in case size. But I do have a very good framing from the 12 and 6 o'clock sides of this bracelet. Looks very good, and it actually feels even better on the wrist. All right, taking a look at the lugs of this watch straight down the wrist here, plenty of space. Well, if you have a wrist smaller than mine, around 6 inches or so, or even smaller than that, you'll have a little bit more space under these lugs to give you a little bit more breathing room for your wrist. Not that that would be an issue, because, well, this being the sister company of Rolex, you do have a Jubilee type of bracelet here with zero tolerance among these links. So you can continue to wear your watch. It will vent your wrist very nicely and just feels very good on the wrist. Zero tolerance among these links, so you can't actually get pinched. You won't pull any hairs out of your wrist. It feels very comfortable all day long. All right, and looking at it straight on, very good sense of elegance and class, especially from this dial with the 8 diamonds on there. It makes it shine a little bit more than the fully Romanized or fully Roman numeraled dial here. So very, very beautiful, and very, very good sense of space as well. Looks beautiful, and you can tell the time quite easily on this watch as well. So enough of what I think. What do you guys think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below what you think about this Tudor Claire De Rose with the 30 millimeter case size. This one, the reference number 35500. All right, be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and let us know down in the comments below what you think about this watch. And also subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video like this one. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch or any other watch, visit our store at jazztime.com. Links in the description below where you can get it for the lowest possible price anywhere online. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.